What is correlative conjunction? First, we have to understand what is the conjunction. Conjunction क्या है? Conjunction joins together two or more words or two or more sentences. It is a conjunction. But what is the correlative conjunction? The conjunction which are used in pairs are called correlative conjunctions. We can say also correlatives. जब जोड़कर दो वर्ड्स एक साथ इस्तेमाल किए जाते हैं एज अ कंजंक्शन, तो उस वर्ड्स को, दो उस कंजंक्शंस को हम कहेंगे कोरिलेटिव कंजंक्शन. नाउ वी सी द एग्जांपल. यू कैन ड्रिंक आइदर टी और कॉफ़ी. इन दिस सेंटेंस यू कैन ड्रिंक आइदर टी और कॉफ़ी. आइदर और, these are the two words joins together, tea and coffee, with either or. It is either or is the correlative conjunctions. The another example, she has neither a pen nor a book. Though he is a clever boy, yet he doesn't study daily. Though and yet, these are the correlative conjunctions. You are not only foolish but also lazy. In this sentence, not only and but also, these are the correlative conjunctions. You learn both driving a car and swimming in a river. Both and, this is the correlative conjunction. I don't care whether you stay or go anyway. In this sentence, whether and or are the correlative conjunctions. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and share with your friends.